My name's Tammy Woods. We've lived here at this address for 9 years, and we chose Riverside Energy Systems. Benefits of why are we paying them all the time the money when we should be racking it in, right? So we've done it and it works fearlessly. We've had the panels just over 2 years. The last couple of years we've saved hundreds and hundreds of dollars on it. It was awesome. They're a great team. They're a great team, great solar. It was a great experience, and we're going to hopefully get our rest of it done. The heat pump and the furnace and the air conditioner. Because you're a great team. You're friendly.
Anything else you want to add?
No, that's it. No, thank you very much for taking this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Shanna from Riverside Energy Systems. Do you want to learn more about solar and the BC Hydro rebates like Tammy? Click the link down below.